For the following reaction, the equilibrium constant Kc at 298 Kelvin is 1.6 into 10 raised to power 17. So the Fe2 positive aqueous plus S2 minus aqueous gives Fes the solid. So when equal volumes of 0.06 molar Fe2 plus aqueous and zero point 0.2 molar S2 minus aqueous solutions are mixed, the equilibrium concentration of Fe2 plus aqueous is found to be Y into 10 raised to power minus 17 molar. The value of Y is. So for the equation of Fe plus S gives Fes, we have Kc is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to power 17. So at T is equal to 0.006 molar of Fe2 plus and zero point zero 0.02 molar of S2 minus was given in the question. So after that T is equal to 0.03 remains and zero point 0.1 molar S2 minus remains. Then Lr T equivalent will be zero point zero 0.03 minus x and zero point 0.1 minus x for s2 minus 1 x2 minus. So from there x would be roughly equivalent to 0.03. For after that we will calculate the Kc. So Kc would be 1 by 0.07 into Fe2 plus. So it gives 1.6 into 10 raised to power. It is equal to the given amount of Kc, that is 1.6 into 10 raised to power 17. So after that we will calculate Fe plus 2 from there, and it would come out as 8.93 into 10 raised to power minus 17. So the value of y would be 8.93.